Packings and gaskets made from technically high-quality materials, manufactured with the most modern processing and finishing technology. Your competent partner worldwide. Welcome to your specialist for sealing technology. We produce packing and gaskets precisely suited for your needs and requirements. A modern integrated planning enables us to fulfill special requests on short notice. We process raw materials from the leading manufacturers in our industry. Linear and cross coil. Processes and devices perfectly matched to the structure of a packaging form. The double and continuous speed control of our braiding machines guarantees precise yarn placement and increases the sealing performance. 18 braiding machines have a capacity of 120 tons per year. Traditional square and modern trapezoidal as well as hybrid packings are dimensionally precise, produced on our state-of-the-art machine park. Specially formulated cross-section impregnations increase the performance of the packing. Precision reworking and continuous dimensional control guarantee the highest reliability of our products. One of the world's largest stock of stuffing box packing allows us to offer our customers a 24-hour service. We supply packing in all internationally common cross-sections and packaging units. Preforming, cutting, pre-compression. Our packing ring department manufactures ready-to-install packing sets in 3 steps. Precisely cut, ready-to-install packing rings and ring sets are easy to install, prevent errors during cutting, and improve the mean time between maintenance. Optimal cross-section density and excellent running properties are achieved by individual pre-compression of packing rings. Due to our plotter, we cut gaskets in various materials, even in complicated shapes and without tooling costs. We supply our products to almost all industries. Let us convince you.